you're there on your break?
Yeah.
Boy, I like when you're there on break, you know, I come run, I come admire you, you know, that vibes are kind of nice. You know, like, see me?
You know me in my church, I serve my God and thing. So, no bother with it.
So listen, you know means that because you're in a church, you can't have one like a boyfriend, or one like a lover, or one man friend.
What you want me to do? Commit fornication?
No, we can read Bible together, we can pray together, we can do all sorts of things, but we have to have
all
sex
sorts
together.
of things like what?
Sex and loving.
Me and you not going to have no sex.
Trust me.
We not going to have no loving.
Yeah, me need...
That's something when me go regret for the rest of my life.
Why you that regret loving someone? That don't make sense. Just I can't that the Bible they tell you. I can't that the church they tell you.
The Bible tell me about fornication and that me not go do.
But doesn't the church tell you to find someone to love too?
But me not find him yet.
They're not someone that me there I try to tell you every day say I am interested and I wanna love you.
What you want from me? What you want? What is it?
Well, I want your body bad, number one. And I wanna be the one in your heart, mind, your body and soul. I wanna be the one who makes your belly roll and give you all the loving and give you all the good vibes. What you mean? Yo, why you kiss your teeth for? I am a good man. I could make you happy. I could give you all the loving you need. I could treat you good. I could help you with everything that you have. I don't know why you're always trying to. Is it because I'm a freak?
You're a freak?
I'm a real freak. And why you afraid of real freaks?
Me don't know what freak mean.
Real freak mean getting down freaky, and you know, trust me, you can't tell a church sister them or something where me and you go up to.
You, me and you come in that picture. Me and you come in that picture.
Because I you me want and I you me need, I you me think about all the time when I'm there in my yard, how me well want have you all over me, kiss you from head to toe. You know, styles that, you know, you should already know. You just have go and I say right now, true, me don't know if man disappoint you, make you no want to mix up with no more man. What have man done to you?
Listen to me. Me single, me happy, me alright. You see me the walk around with nothing on my Friday, so me like a sex?
No, me not see you they do none of that. I'm in need of
sex, I'm desperate
no,
for sex.
Me not see you they do none of that. But there is things that I see because before you turn Christian, you used to always walking, singing, happy around here. Now you turn Christian, every time I see you, you sit down somewhere looking on melancholy. I think you need a long distance to the life.
Me no want no long distance to that.
Yes, you do.
Me no want none to come stress me
you
out.
You want a real lover, man.
You nah come ride out for me chassis.
No, man.
For me chassis, you nah come ride out.
You want ride out, you chassis like a bicycle.
Maybe, Lord, lead me not into temptation. You know, so me not in it with the thing. When you come on and they come provoke me.
I don't provoke me, I provoke me. I try to save you. Because right now you look like if you keep going, you're going to be a single, church-bearing lady, get all in her age. Right now I'm trying to have you as my baby, be a church-bearing real lover to somebody. I will even come to church too, maybe, because, you know, sometimes you do what you have to do for your girl. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'll change my life from a Rasta man and come be a Christian, but you don't even want to let me find out. The way you're acting right now, I just want to carry you to my yard and make you go build broom. Then a Rasta man.
Let me say something to you. So if you go come to church, that means say, you not come to church because you want God. You come to church because you want me.
Then
and my body you want.
You have to find God in many ways.
And my body you want.
But I take your body too. But me still love God and pray to and so on and all that something too. And thank Him for giving me you. Because, you know what I mean, a long time. Maybe I look for you and I wish I become like right now, God, I have to go through just to get you.
One of you say single woman or a Christian woman, one of you say we not happy by we say.
You can't happy when you're there.
So
listen, enough time. So listen, you're not there, enough time, well on it and well want somebody. And I think about all your ex, or maybe I may think about everything about me when you're there.
No, me not have time to think about it. I have too much things to do.
So that means that no time when you're there. So me there, my yard, I wish we could have all over your body, all over, up and down, everywhere, all over you.
Yeah, because you're not Christian, you can't do anything. But I am not walking after no flesh. I am walking according to the Spirit. I will not fulfill the lust of flesh. Of flesh make you there think about me. So.
Right now, and why your flesh bad? May I tell you? But I use my knife and fork.
You know, so